Today's video is on a full day routine. For my Muslim girlies, by following a structured daily routine, a Muslim girl can stay connected to her faith, be productive, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Fajr and morning routine. Wake up for Fajr, recite morning duas, and start your day with gratitude. Freshen up, do skincare, and have a healthy breakfast. Plan your day and set clear goals for success. Work and study time. Dedicate time to studies, work, or household tasks. Take short break to refresh your mind and body. Be kind, helpful, and spread positivity around you. Media worship and self-care. Pray Zuhr, read Quran, and engage in zikr. Have a balanced lunch and relax for a while. Develop your skills, pursue hobbies, or help others. Evening routine. Pray Asr and Maghrib, spend quality time with family. Exercise, take a walk, or enjoy a creative activity. Complete pending tasks and prepare for the next day. Nighttime routine. Pray Isha, reflect on your day, and make dua for a better tomorrow. Disconnect from screens and practice gratitude. Sleep early to wake up fresh and energized. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe.